Target the main entry points where pests travel into the home so treatments block pathways before infestations start. Focus sprays on vents, pipes, cracks, windows, doors, door frames, decks, porches, garage, interiors and perimeters, crawl spaces, and window wells, using a consistent, methodical approach. Start with a perimeter sweep and look for gaps larger than 1/8 of an inch and treat along the foundation seam and up to 2 feet high on exterior walls to intercept crawling insects. For vents and pipes, remove exterior covers when safe and apply residual material around the penetration and on the interior framing while avoiding direct application into airflow openings. For windows, doors, and door frames, concentrate on the sill, jamb, and the gap between the frame and siding, using a narrow stream to reach deep crevices without over-applying. Keep treatments dry before closing windows or doors. For decks, porches, and garage edges, treat under decking and along joists, plus the gap at the transition to the house where wood boring and nesting pests enter. For wooden structures, target the joint between vertical posts and sill plates. Crawl spaces and window wells need low-volume targeted sprays on foundation walls, rim joists, and around utilities while wearing proper protective equipment and allowing adequate ventilation after application. Common mistakes start with spraying randomly rather than following entry points, so you waste product and leave pathways open. Fix this by mapping visible penetrations and treating those first. Another issue is overapplication, which causes runoff and reduced efficacy. Use small, controlled bursts and only treat until the surface is damp, not saturated. A third frequent problem is neglecting repeat attention to seasonal pressure points like garage thresholds and crawl space vents. Set a schedule to retouch these high-risk spots every 2 to 3 months or after heavy rains, and inspect after storms. BigHomeProjects.com connects our community to local contractors and lets homeowners find professionals for targeted pest control and entry point sealing. We also help contractors find work and grow their business. And our discussion community lets users share experience, ask practical questions, and read real-world tips.